You may already know the Nonda company from its UXA0 and the U2 innovative gadgets that locate both your car and your keys, respectively. Its latest in-car tool, the ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor, promises to keep tabs on your tires and make sure you're never stranded with a flat. We put an early sample through its paces for our ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor review, to see if the cost and hassle of the ZUS system are worth it. The ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor was launched through a that raised over $300. Well above its initial $20,000 goal. The cost for early backers was only $99, a slight discount from the retail price of $120. The ZUS kit includes 4 tire sensors, 4 anti-theft nuts, a small metal wrench for installation, and a sleek car-shaped USB charger that acts as a hub inside your vehicle. The concept of aftermarket tire pressure sensors that communicate to your phone via Bluetooth has been but many devices have issues with theft, and can be rather large and awkward looking. Thankfully, the new ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor sensors look and feel premium and secure to your vehicle to avoid theft in only minutes. Each sensor is labeled clearly with the tire it should be attached to, front left, quote, rear right, and so on. The first step to installation is to plug the charger into a USB port. All need to own a modern car that has one, or own a USB car charger that plugs into a cigarette lighter. We're disappointed that Nonda didn't include a universal 12-volt lighter plug, since many users will be driving older vehicles that are void of USB ports. Once plugged in, you simply pair the dongle with